Hello, my dear students. Myself, Rajni. I will teach you environmental studies. Today, we will start our lesson number 2. The name of lesson is Others in My World. Students, there are two columns in front of you. In first column, you have to paste your mother's photograph, whereas in second column you have to paste your father's photograph. As you are not having your books, that is why you have to do this work later. Now, in next line, my mother's name is. Here you will write your mother's name. Next side, my father's name is. Here you will write your father's name. In next line, my mom helps me. Class, already answer is given. Do my homework. Next side, my dad helps me too. Already answer is given. Water the plants. If you write any other answer, no problem. In this lesson, we will meet with Sachin's family. Now, definition of the family. Parents and their children together make a family. I think parents is a new term for you. I will explain. Listen carefully. Parents means mother and father together. Okay? Okay, listen. If someone asks your mother's name, then you will tell your mother's name. If someone asks your father's name, that time you will tell your father's name. But someone asks your parents' name, that time you will tell your mother's and father's name together. It's clear to you? Parents mean mothers and fathers together. Now, we will repeat definition of family. Parents and their children together make a family. In front of you, two pictures are there. In first picture, Sachin, and in second picture, Sachin with his father. I told you na, in this lesson we will meet with Sachin's family. Let's start with Sachin and Sachin's father. Now, this is my father. Here Sachin is saying, this is my father. His name is Mr. Arjun Khanna. The name of Sachin's father is Arjun Khanna. He works in an office. He earns money for all of us. Now, give me one answer, class. Students, what is the name of Sachin's father? Yes, very good. Mr. Arjun Khanna. Very good. Arjun's father works in an office. Okay? Father is the head of the family. So, he earns money for the family. You know very well, without money, we not purchase anything. Okay? Means with the help of money, we purchase each and everything. Now, I will introduce in front of you Sachin's mother. Yes. Now we will meet with Sachin's mother. Meet my mother, Mrs. Kavita Khanna. She is a teacher. She cooks tasty food for me. She helps me in my studies. Sachin is saying, meet my mother. Okay. Now tell me Sachin's mother name? Yes, Mrs. Kavita Khanna. I told you na, she is a teacher. She teaches the students. Yes, I told you na, students. Sachin's father works in an office. Same thing with Sachin's mother. She works in a school. She cooks tasty food for me. Means Sachin's mother cooks delicious food for Sachin and his family. She helps me in my studies. Sachin's mother helps him in his studies. Means homework. Whenever Sachin has any problem, he takes help his mother. Now we will meet with Sachin's younger sister. This is my younger sister. Her name is Khushi. She is 3 years old. I play with her every day. Sachin's sister's name is Khushi. Yes, very good. She is 3 years old. Sachin play with Khushi every day. Now we will meet with Sachin. Okay? Yes. He is Sachin. This is me. Sachin is saying, this is me. I am 6 years old. What is the age of Sachin? Yes, 6 years. I help my mother in the kitchen. Sachin's mother prepare food for family. That time Sachin helps her mother. I help my father to clean his car. When Sachin's father washes his car, that time Sachin helps his father. Now we will start our new topic, that is types of families. Families are mainly of two types. First, nuclear family, and second is joint family. First of all, we will discuss nuclear family. Nuclear family is the family which has one set of parents and their children. Nuclear family can be big or small. In a nuclear family, one set of parents and the children means one mother, one father and their children. On the number of children, these families are of two types. Number 1, a small family. Number 2, big family. In a small family, one mother, one father and one or two children are there. In a small family, the number of children are one or two. In a big nuclear family, one mother, one father, but number of children are more than two. Now we will discuss our next topic, that is joint family. A joint family has more than one set of parents and their children. These families are of two types. Number 1, small joint family, and second is big joint family. Now first we discuss small joint family. A small joint family is a family which has more than one set of parents and their children. Means in such type of families, one set of parents and one set of grandparents are there and their children. And other side, a big joint family has grandparents, parents, children, uncles, aunts and their cousins living together in the same house. Now we will discuss relatives. Fathers and mothers' parents are our grandparents. Fathers and mothers' brother are our uncles. Fathers and mothers' sister are our aunts. Uncles and aunts' children are our cousins. This exercise we will discuss later. Now we will discuss our next point, that is fun with the family. We have fun with our family in different ways. We go on picnics. Sometimes we visit many places with our family, like park, malls and historical places. We go to watch movies. We sometimes go out to watch movies on special occasions like birthday, anniversaries. We play indoor games like Ludo and chess. We can also share love among ourselves by playing with our family members inside the house. We play indoor games like oh sorry we play outdoor games like cricket and football. Outdoor games are beneficial for us because it makes us healthy. We celebrate we celebrate festivals like Diwali, Holi, Christmas and Gurupur. Celebrating the festivals with family strengthen love and bonding. Festivals are times to have fun and share time with family. Festivals bring happiness, togetherness, and love among family by celebrating occasions. Our next topic is celebrations with friends and neighbors. The people who live around our house are called neighbors. Man is a social animal. He lives in a society. Families or people who live near our house are our neighbors. Together we formed a neighborhood. Neighbors play an important role in our social life. Good neighbors can make our life pleasant. We spend happy times like festival, birthday, etc. etc. with them. Now we will start our exercise. Number A. Answer the following. Question number 1. What makes a family? Answer 1. Parents and their children together make a family. Once again, parents and their children together make a family. Question number 2. What is a nuclear family? What is a nuclear family? Answer 2. The family which has one set of parents and their children. Repeat. The family which has one set of parents and their children. Question number 3. What is a joint family? Once again, what is a joint family? Answer 3. Joint family has more than one set of parents and their children. Once again, joint family has more than one set of parents and their children. Question 4. Who are neighbors? Question 4. Who are neighbors? Answer 4 is the people who live around our house. The people who live around our house. Next exercise. Exercise B. Write T for the true and F for the false statements. Number 1. The father earns money for the family. Listen once again. Your father earns family. Listen. Sorry. I will repeat once again. Your father earns money for the family. This is a right statement. So T will become T for true. Now second. We spend happy times with our neighbors. Once again, we spend happy times with our neighbors. This is also true, means T will become for this statement. Number 3. Children cannot help parents in the house. Children cannot help parents in the house. This is a wrong statement. So F will become for this statement. Number 4. Cricket is an indoor game. Listen. Cricket is an indoor game. Again, this is a false statement. So F will become. Now our third exercise. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. Your uncle's son is your. Option 1, sister, and second is cousin. So here cousin is the answer. So right tick will become for the cousin. Number 2. Your father's father is your. Option 1, uncle, and other is grandfather. In this question, grandfather is the right answer. So tick will become for the grandfather. Number 3. Ludo is an example of an outdoor game, indoor game. Yes, answer is indoor game. So tick will become on indoor game. Number 4. Your father's sister is your. Option 1, aunt, other is grandmother. Yes, of course, answer is aunt. Now, one homework for you. Fill in the blanks. Here, after each question, space is given. In this given space, you will write the correct answer. Number 1 question. Mother's father. Repeat. Mother's father. Number 2. Father's father. I am repeating. Father's father. Number 3. Mother's mother. Number 4. Mother's sister. Number 5. Father's mother. Number 6. Father's father. You will write correct answer Number 6, father's sister. After each question space is given, you will write the correct answer in providing space. Next exercise is look at the correct pictures and write the types of family in the given space. Class, each picture having numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 and space is provided for the each picture like 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write correct answer in providing area. Last exercise, paste the pictures of your family in this family tree. Class, here you will paste your family members photograph in the given area. Okay? Yes. Next, learn and do it in your classwork copy. Thank you, students.